In this video, I'll show you how to decorate a small living room step by step, so it feels more open, organized, and balanced. We'll go through layout planning, furniture placement, color choices, and lighting to help you maximize your space. Welcome to Decor Design Ideas, where I break down practical home decor tips clearly and simply. Let's start with the most important step, planning the layout correctly. Plan the layout first. The first step is planning your layout. In a small living room, every piece of furniture should serve a purpose. Start by identifying your main focal point. This could be a TV, a window, or a feature wall. Make sure there's a clear walking path and avoid blocking natural light. Choose the right furniture size. Oversized furniture is one of the biggest mistakes in small spaces. Choose sofas and chairs that fit the scale of the room. Furniture with raised legs can make the room feel lighter because it shows more visible floor space. Use light and neutral colors. Light colors reflect light and make small living rooms feel bigger. Use soft neutrals for walls and larger furniture pieces. You can add color through cushions, artwork, or decorative accents. Add smart storage solutions. Clutter makes small rooms feel even smaller. Use storage ottomans, floating shelves, or built-in cabinets to keep surfaces clean. The goal is to reduce visual clutter while maintaining functionality. Layer your lighting. Good lighting makes a big difference in small spaces. Instead of relying only on ceiling lights, add floor lamps or table lamps to create depth. Natural light should always be maximized. Avoid heavy curtains that block sunlight. Use mirrors strategically. Mirrors reflect light and visually expand a room. Placing a mirror opposite a window can instantly make your living room feel brighter and more spacious. Keep decor simple and balanced. Avoid overcrowding your walls and surfaces. Choose a few intentional decor pieces instead of many small items. This keeps the space feeling clean and organized. organized. Decorating a small living room isn't about adding more, it's about making thoughtful choices. When you focus on layout, scale, and lighting, even a compact space can feel comfortable and inviting. Subscribe for more step-by-step interior design tips.